Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a working copy and installing a XIF tool or a trusted GUI. This protects originals and gives precise control. Once done, open the folder, select the photos, and read date time original plus any GPS timestamps to know the mismatch. You will also check time zone offsets and device clock drift. This matters because GPS time vs camera time often differs. Now prepare a simple log. File name, current timestamps, desired timestamp. That list guides the batch edits you'll run next. You calculate the offset, for example, -3 hours 30 minutes, and decide whether to shift camera tags or GPS tags. Then you run a XIF tool with a shift parameter like all dates plus equals 3, 30, or use GPS date stamp and GPS timestamp edits to align both sets. Make sure to test a single file first and read back all metadata groups to confirm changes. If you use a GUI, apply the same offset as a batch and preview results. Consistency prevents mismatched location time pairs. You finalize by importing edited photos into your mapping tool or photo manager and verifying plotted points match expected times. If everything looks correct, archive originals and keep a short change log listing edits and commands used. If something goes wrong, stop and recheck the offset calculation, including time zone and daylight saving, and test a redo on a single file. Finally, if metadata appears correct but maps still misplace images, clear caches in the viewing app and re-import to force refreshed metadata reads.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.